Alright, you guys, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step setup and installation of this LED pool light fountain, and then I will show it to you in action. So it'll come in a few pieces for easy installation. You will have a solar panel that you need to charge beforehand, and here's an overview of all of the different parts. And now I'm just showing you step by step how to set this up. It's really easy and straightforward. These little clips will hold the LED light strip in place. And then obviously same thing on the other side. And once the lights are in, you can plug in the solar panel and illuminate the lights. So like I said, I charged the panel beforehand, but you can set it up out in your yard. Just make sure that it's not covered by any trees or shade. And you can also control the lights from an app on your phone. It's an easy QR code on the back of the solar panel. So now I'm just showing you the actual installation. That first piece will go in first. You'll plug it into the pump that's on the side of your pool wall. And then the rest of it can just screw onto that and you're good to go. You guys, unfortunately at the time of recording this video, we had just had a flood and so our pump was not working. So you can't see the fountain, but the ambiance that this light gave to the whole pool and the whole backyard was so lovely. It was so relaxing. I can just imagine it'll be 10 times better with the fountain. This is such a fun pool product if you're looking for a way to spice up your pool and add a little bit of color and fun. I totally recommend it.